So I'm going to share my screen in just a moment here and explain and show you how you can create Canva slides in the most easy way. But first, let's hear from Rob as to what all the true benefits are.
Thanks, Ruben. So we're going to start out with why Canva is so important in terms of really making that revenue generating sales videos. Canva is incredibly visual. So I did some research here, and we've got some really important reasons on why Canva can help you stand out. The first one is going to be visuals, right? And we talk about this with Dubb, how videos and visuals are so important for not only comprehension, but retention at the same time. So comprehension and retention, reason number one. Reason number two, it doesn't require a face. Maybe you're having a bad hair day. Maybe you just don't want to be on camera. So you want to have an option where it can just be your audio and you can let the visuals of the Canva slide do your talking for you. Let them tell the story. And another reason is Canva helps keeping you concise. A lot like a teleprompter when you're shooting a video. What does that do? It keeps you on message, keeps you efficient, and keeps you moving forward. If your Canva slide is not pushing the story forward, it's not meaningful. Now, when you're concise, it enables you to be what? Consistent. Okay? And if you're concise and you're consistent, you can create those connections that you really want. Now, when you're being concise, you're being very thoughtful and very strategic in terms of what your slides look like. And when you're doing that, it enables you to get the confidence to have that consistency that you need with your slide creating. Now, Canva is also a great way to help you with your team. Let's just say you're collaborating with other team members. You all can contribute together on these slides and really have something that is totally team created, which does a lot for team unity and really helps boost morality within sales teams as well, and results. And the other person can be in charge of copy for the slides. That was tough to say. Okay. And the last reason, Canva is wonderful for repurposing. Let's say you've got a wonderful template laid out, everything looks beautiful, and you're getting ready to do another Canva slide. You can actually copy that Canva slide into the next one, and then you can use that outline to start taking apart and reconfiguring what your next Canva slide is going to be. Now I'm going to put it back over to Ruben so we can talk about how you create these slides.
Now, the first way to create slides from your content is actually to use the Canva doc option, where all you have to do is simply create a new document on Canva, and then you can start to write or actually paste copy directly into that document. Now, the key here is to set up an outline. If you have an outline with 1, 2, or 3 tiers, the system is going to know how to place your headers and your subheaders on each individual slide. So in this case, I have a title, and then I've got 7 bullets, all of which have sub-bullets. And now all I have to do is click this convert button right here. Once I do that, it's going to actually convert this content into slides. So at this point, I can select a slide presentation that uses my brand colors, or I can actually use something that's completely fresh. In this case, I'll use this solid blue design, which has some nice illustrations to it. At this point, once I've selected my presentation, all I have to do is click Create My Presentation. And then voila, it's created a list of slides that have the headers and the subheaders listed as bullets, and it's added some nice generic images. Now, the key here is not about the AI, how the technology developed these slides. The key here is the HI, which is the human intelligence. So at this point, we need to add images, we need to add videos, we need to change the copy, we need to change our brand colors, put our logo in certain places, and we need to make this presentation as customized and as specific as possible. So at that point, you can make your edits, make design changes, do whatever you need to do. One of the things that I love to mention is Canva's ability to add both photos and videos directly into your slides. They have an entire media library of videos where you can add B-roll footage, but if you have a specific YouTube video where you want to add that, simply go to the YouTube link, copy the URL, go back into your slides, click Control or Command V, depending on if you're on a PC or a Mac, and then you can literally place the video directly within the body. Great thing about this is that the thumbnail is included and the video can play directly here. If you decide to share this Canva presentation with someone else, they can actually click the play button directly within the slideshow. So if you don't want to actually start with an outline, you can go directly into a template itself. So what you can do is you can search for a template of the theme that makes sense for you. And then once you've selected that, you can click Customize this template. Now, once you're in the edit page, at this point, you can go ahead and change the copy any way that you'd like. You can change the title, the colors, the branding, the logo, and add any type of elements. The great thing about this is that each presentation template has a list of different types of sub-templates. For example, this one's for the team, this one's for some updates, this one's for a newsreel, this one has a video on it, and this one is the end slide. So feel free to add any slides that make sense for the copy that you're trying to create. And if you're not sure what to write, add all of these slides and it'll start to fuel ideas on how you can add copy. So one of the things that I always recommend is to use an AI assistant. You can use Jasper, you can use ChatGPT, or in this case, I'm using Dubb Ira. So what we always recommend is to place a prompt that helps the AI engine figure out what it is that you're trying to do. So in this case, I'm going to add how to use Canva slides to make YouTube videos that help attract my ideal audience and convert more prospects into clients. Now, one of the things that I recommend is to specify the tone of the copy. So in this case, I'm going to select informative, humorous, entertaining, and then persuasive. Once you've specified your prompt and the tone that you would like, and also the target length, give the AI system just a moment or two so that it can generate copy that's relevant for you. And voila, we have a nice outline with plenty of sub-bullets here as a starting point. Now remember, the key to AI is the HI. It's adding the human intelligence to the copy that was generated. Otherwise, frankly, it's not going to be personalized and specific to your audience and to your business. And a pro tip is that if you don't like what the system generated, you can click the submit button over and over again until you find something that you like. The key is to continue to update the prompt so that it's specific to your needs. Make sure you click the copy to clipboard if you are going to import this into a Google slide or doc. Now, if you do want to add a video feed of some sort within your slides, you can actually use the AI talking avatar integration in Canva, where all you have to do is specify the avatar and then the voice that you like. And at that point, it'll automatically create a talking avatar with the voice of your choice and the copy that you've written on one or many of your slides. Take a look.
How to use Canva slides to make YouTube videos that help attract my ideal audience and convert more prospects into clients.
So here's an example of a slideshow that we created using AI, the text-to-slide generator, and having someone on our team help design these slides even better. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully by now you understand the value of making your videos more visual using Canva slides. The great thing about this is that you can use AI, you can use rich media elements like videos, images, and so much more to make your videos more interesting. Remember, with visuals, you're going to get a better comprehension rate and a better retention rate. If you enjoyed this video, please consider putting the word yes in the comments below. We love to see that. And if you'd like to recommend that we record a new video on another topic, put that in the comments as well. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so, and click that notification bell to get a heads up when we record a new video. Thanks again, and we'll see you at the next video. And by the way, this video is sponsored by Dubb.com, the video sales system that allows you to create, share, and track videos. Consider getting a free account at Dubb.com. Thank you, and see you at the next video.